How to become a young millionaire. In this video, we're diving into the secrets of how to become a young millionaire. You won't want to miss this ride as we'll reveal these well-kept secrets that can help you join the Millionaire Club while you're still in your 20s. So stay tuned and let us know in the comments which secret you find most powerful in your journey to financial success. Ever wondered how those savvy young generations are raking in millions while you're still figuring out where to begin, or maybe even second-guessing the whole wealth-building idea? Well, guess what? We've got the key to unlock your millionaire dreams. Buckle up because today's ride is about to get seriously exciting. We're about to spill the beans on the well-kept secrets that can catapult you into the Millionaire Club while you're still in your 20s. You won't want to miss a single second of this. Life is often seen as a game of chance, somewhat like a lottery. Those who rely on luck can end up losing because it's like taking a risky gamble where the outcome is uncertain. A common mistake many young people make is thinking they have plenty of time due to their youth, leading them to delay pursuing their dreams. However, many successful individuals today have two significant regrets. First, they wish they had started working on their goals earlier in life. Second, they wish they had possessed the knowledge they have now when they were younger. People tend to make excuses, such as not having enough money, being too young, or lacking knowledge. Meanwhile, others are steadily earning more money for themselves and their families. It's a reminder that taking action and learning as you go can often lead to better outcomes than relying on luck or waiting for the perfect moment. In life, it's not just about luck or waiting around. It's about taking action and not letting excuses hold you back. So, here are the secrets that make the young millionaire. Secret number 5, define your goal. So first things first, let's talk about your goal. A goal is something you really want to achieve or do in the future, like getting a good job or starting your own business. Now, even if you don't have much right now, you have 3 important things: time, energy, and attention. Time is the hours in your day. Energy is the power you have to do things, and attention is where you focus your mind. To make money and have a great future, you should use these 3 things wisely. It's like if you want to win a game, you need to aim for a target. Your goal is your target in life. Imagine driving a car, but you don't know where you're going. If you don't have a goal, it's like that. You'll go in circles and never reach your destination. So you should think about what you're spending your time, energy, and attention on. If you use these on things that don't help you get closer to your goal, you won't achieve what you want. Think of making money and building a future like a big competition. It's like a game where everyone wants to win and get money. If you don't aim for your goal, someone else will take the prize. So you'll either work to make your dreams come true or help others achieve their dreams. But here's the good news. If you focus your time, energy, and attention on your goal, you're more likely to achieve it. It's like having 3 special keys: time, energy, and attention that can unlock whatever you want in life. So the bottom line is, set a goal and then use your time, energy, and attention wisely to get there. That's how you can build the future you want for yourself. Hey, before we continue, we want you to know that we're always making new content, so make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Secret number 4, avoid toxic relationships. Imagine this. Think of your friendships and relationships like the people you hang out with. So here's the deal. If you're trying too hard to make others happy and spending money on things just to impress them, it's not so good for you. It's like you're making life harder for yourself. Now let's talk about your age. Being young can either be a good or a bad thing for you. It's not great if you're just having fun, spending money on stuff you don't really need, and hanging out with people who aren't good for you. It's like a wrong move. But it can be awesome if you use this time to focus on your goals. So having a relationship isn't a terrible idea, but it's like picking the right time for it. If you're young and don't have much money and you're with someone who's not helping you reach your goals, that's not a great combo. You want to be with someone who supports your dreams. How do you know if you're with the right person? Well, if your relationship makes it hard to set boundaries, go after your goals, or create a good, supportive environment for yourself, that's a sign that it might not be the best time for a relationship. It's like you need to build your own foundations first. Always check if your actions are helping you get closer to your goals. That's the best way to know if you're on the right track. Secret number 3, don't be afraid to make mistakes. So don't sweat it if you mess up or make mistakes. It's okay. People might laugh or criticize you, but don't worry about that. Just put your pride to the side and go for what truly makes you happy. Think about it. How do you even learn anything without messing up sometimes? Failing is one of the steps to success. It can guarantee that all the successful folks out there have failed plenty of times. It's just part of the journey. When you fail, you learn stuff. It's like you can't put on your favorite outfit without taking a shower first, right? So if you want something, you've got to work for it. And don't forget, practice makes you better. You become a pro at something by learning, practicing, failing, practicing some more, failing again, and keeping at it until you win. Let's say you learn a skill like coding. Once you've got that down, you can use it to create cool software for yourself or even for other companies. Plus, you can teach others how to code. There are places like YouTube and social media where you can share your knowledge and build an audience. You can even make a course and earn some money from it. Learning a skill opens up lots of opportunities, so keep at it. Secret number 2, save to invest. Save your money. Try not to spend it on stuff you don't really need. This means being smart about your spending. It's important to manage your money well. You can do this by creating a budget, which is like a plan for your money. You should also keep track of where your money goes, and don't forget to save some of your income for investing. Investing means putting your money into things that can grow and make you more money over time. If you have some advantages or good things going for you, like living with someone and not having to pay rent, that's a big chance to get richer. Also, having internet access is a great advantage, and if you can read and write, that's a big opportunity too. You can use these advantages to help you get ahead financially. Lastly, avoid things like procrastination, laziness, and ignorance. Being disciplined and focused is up to you, and it can really help you on your journey to becoming financially successful. So make the most of what you have and be smart with your money. Hey there, before we reveal the top 1 on the list, make sure to tap that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This way you won't miss out on our newest videos. You can decide if you want notifications for just a few videos or all of them. It's your choice, and if you're using your phone, don't forget to enable notifications in your settings. Secret number 1, invest in yourself. Imagine you have 2 choices. You can either focus on learning and getting better at something, or you can just have fun and not bother about learning much. Most people go for the second option because learning isn't always exciting. But here's the deal. Successful people, the ones who have lots of money, they keep learning new stuff all the time. They understand that learning is super valuable. Some people might say, I want to do what I love and not worry about making a lot of money. That's totally fine. But if what you love doesn't make you much money, it might not be the best plan. You see, most of us want to be rich, and many think that going to school, getting a regular job, and saving up money over many years is the way to become a millionaire when you're older. But guess what? You can actually start making big money when you're still young and retire early. How? By learning a high-income skill. A high-income skill is something you're really good at, and it can make you more money than you ever thought. Even famous people like Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the Rich Dad, Poor Dad book, don't always love what they do. So it's essential to pick a skill that can bring in the bucks. Think of skills like online selling, writing, creating content, freelancing, or even coding. These skills will always be in demand, and they can make you rich. To get good at these skills, you might need to take some courses, join workshops, or learn from experienced people. This makes you more valuable to employers, and it can lead to better job opportunities. Here's a simple truth. You can lose money or possessions, but the skills you learn stay with you. For example, if you spend $200 on a course to learn a skill, that's a much better use of your money than wasting it on things like partying or expensive stuff. A high-income skill can help you make your first $1 million. Money, in a way, is a skill. You have to learn something valuable to make a lot of it. The main problem many people face is that they learn a lot but never put what they learn into action. So it's not just about learning, it's about doing something with what you learn. And there you have it, the secrets to unlock your millionaire dreams. But let's not stop here. We want to know what you think is the most crucial step to financial success. Which secret do you find most powerful? Is it setting clear goals for yourself or choosing the right people to surround yourself with? Let us know in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on my latest content. And for more resources and links related to today's topics, be sure to check out the description below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to reading your comments and engaging with you in the next video.